Happy flowers! Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make a Western style flower arrangement, the inverted crescent shape arrangement. This is a front facing arrangement and you can display it in many ways. Let's start making this beautiful arrangement. We need a tall vase to make this arrangement. I'm using a soaked foam to hold the flowers. I'll be using some orchids and some green leaves to make this arrangement. Cut and shape your palm leaves. The length of the leaf should be equal on both the sides and you insert it an angle so that it forms a shape. Now you can see the inverted crescent shape. Now I am taking some orchids and follow the leaves. When you arrange the leaves and flowers, you just have to maintain the shape. The angle in which you insert the stems are very important. At the top, in the middle, we can place our focal flower. It can be a big flower or we can group 2-3 flowers together. You can decorate the center in whatever way you feel like. I'm going to keep some candles. I will show you how to fix a candle in the arrangement using toothpicks. Our beautiful inverted crescent arrangement is ready to display now. We can keep this arrangement in the altar or in any other table. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.